So let me know in the comments.
You know, because
we're in
if
Arizona, where's the alligators going to come from?
we technically put our lives at risk.
We need to hurry because there's more gray.
What?
That's a bouquet.
That doesn't give Blair Witch vibes at all.
You get the fuck out of here. Oh, she got a weapon.
Like, that's nothing like that's ever happened to us.
Nope.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm like really paying attention to the condition of the trees. What last video?
Okay, guys. So apparently we weren't recording that whole time, and I thought we were because I saw the little audio spikes coming up. But coming back through 20 minutes ago, this tree, and I'll show you some footage of it, was not down. And now we came up on it, and this happened.
Show the path. Like, here, we'll recreate it for you, okay? Let's recreate it. Okay, ready? And I was like,
guys, if you've ever gone hiking and you don't have your hiking stick, you feel naked.
Chris, because this is how it went. The tree. Chris.
Oh my God, I can't believe that. We were just here.
For real, you guys, it was like just a few moments ago you were doing the like through the thingy.
I know, right? And that's the loud crash we heard back there. And then this fell. Okay, so now we're done with the reenactment.
There, that was the reenactment. Now we'll get back to like
Oh, screw you, squirrel.
I am a little sad though, and I've been really trying to hold my tears in when you're trying to figure that out, but like I understand. I mean, it had already, well, you guys will see when he shows you the other footage, like it had already, like this part here had already done something, and then it was like split, so lightning didn't hit this and make
No,
this
that
go.
was that
like,
wind that we had. There was some crazy strong wind while we had the camera off.
And but now this is going to be all of the smoss and all the lichen. Maybe I don't know how that stuff works with that, but this will be gone. This will die because they will need to cut a path in for the path. They will need to cut the tree for the path, which is okay. That is okay. And I mean, it's okay.
And
right?
we can honestly say that when a tree falls, it does make a noise.
It does make a noise.
Honey, it's starting to rain. We gotta go.
Okay.
Say bye.
I'm really emotional. I don't know how to get out of here now. Oh, okay. This way? Don't break the flower. Don't break the things. There's been enough death.
Oh. I'm sorry, Leo.
What is?
That's a bouquet.
That doesn't give Blair Witch vibes at all.
You get the fuck out of here. Talk about having spooky wooky stuff happen.
Well, now I'm leery of the trees. Maybe them knowing that I cried over their friend, like they won't fall on us. That is insane. We have never had nature like full on change, like from you know, when we come back on a path. Like that's nothing like that's ever happened to us.
Nope. But it is proof that shit happens in an instant.
It was crazy. What the heck is this?
Oh man, it's another tree fell.
Oh my God.
Right up there.
What?
No, that was like that.
No. Okay, I was like, no, if this is the case, we need to get up on that road. That was crazy. At
Excuse
first,
me.
I was like, well, I know we walked down there because I talked about how it would be a cute little picnic spot.
Yeah.
And then I was like, did we even go on that portion of the path? And then when I looked up and I realized what tree had fallen, I was like, no, that tree was very much intact before.
Yeah.
Gosh, it could have just as easily have fallen like when we were right there being goofy with our faces.
Right.
Could you imagine if that would have happened? I'd have peed right there and I'd have owned it and I'd have been okay and I'd have said, film that stuff, like load it up. Because if you're standing next to a big tree.
I'm not eating Cliff Bars on trails again.
I got toilet paper.
No.
Oh.
Remember the last time I had a Cliff Bar on a trail? Felt like my back was about to.
Oh.
Oh, the birds are going crazy.
They are having it's a birdie rave happening. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like really paying attention to the condition of the trees.
Right?
Wow. That is insane.
Totally.
Just crazy. Well, that'll be something exciting.
Right? Oh my God.
It's kind of hard to stay on trail when you're like staring at everything. Yeah, this is a trail we're gonna
Definitely come back to.
yeah, and visit again and again, like in the different seasons.
Right? Maybe not winter.
Well,
Definitely not winter.
no, because the road
Or spring.
is closed in the winter, right?
It's closed if it's snowing.
Oh.
I'm still not coming up here in winter.
No,
It gets too freaking cold.
no. We hike in Sedona in the winter. That's one thing that's pretty great about Arizona is that you have that access to year-round hiking. Because you literally only have to drive like 2 hours to be in a totally different climate.
Right. And we live up in the mountain areas. So this is what we get in the spring or summer and early fall.
When it's too dangerous to be hiking down in the valley areas, and they even close, like they barricade trails off to keep people from being there.
Well, here comes the first waterfall, which means we're almost back to the car. So you guys will see in the video, all that stuff happened within a mile of the parking lot.
We technically put our lives at risk. Honey,
Huh?
you know how I walk in a zigzag?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that if we ever were around alligators, I'd be really, really good. You know, because
We're
if
in Arizona, where's the alligators gonna come from?
well, I mean, not here, but if we were someplace that had alligators and we went hiking, then I would be able to get away from them really good. Because I'm a natural zigzagger. So running zigzag would come natural to me.
I will say this, in the next couple of weeks, hold on, honey. The next couple of videos, our format's gonna change a little bit. So let me know in the comments if you like this picture in picture. because we can integrate that into it as well.
Can we?
Yeah, we'll just take the phone out and take some photos and or videos and put it in there. But we have to kind of stop doing these types of videos because my camera, which is my phone, starts to overheat even in this cooler temperature when we're doing videos, and it drains my battery like no other. So I sold some photography gear and I got us a new camera for this type of filming.
Yeah, because we need something like really dependable. Like just now, we thought we were recording when we left underneath the tree and we weren't. Because something messed up, and then the mics wanted to be like, no, we're not working, and that's all it's an equipment issue and it's a learning curve. And I know that, like, I know my friends personally, Crystal, shout out to you, loves the picture-in-picture. She loves that. She loves being able to see Chris, see me, see all the things, hear us both. Like, she loves that, and it's not something she sees on most YouTubers.
So we're gonna put this style of in there every now and then sporadically, and then it's going to be a Christy filming me and me filming Christy more. And the reason I like this format is because it makes editing so much easier, because then it gets both of us on camera. I'm gonna keep coming closer.
I am trying to step away from the camera and you keep like shoving it in my face.
I know the feeling.
Yeah, but you have the power. I have no power over it.
Oh, she got a weapon. Man, you really pulling that Indian vibe right now. Sorry, Native American vibe.
I don't know which way to go. I think
I would
this
say
way.
left.
To the left, to the left. Everything you own is
we need to hurry because there's more gray.
What? You're the one who keeps stopping and then you're like, we need to hurry. And then it's like, oh wait, hold up. So then I hold up and then you're like, we need to go. And then
I just looked up.
Oh.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is why Christy does not look up and hike at the same time.
Oh, look at them. If we can stop so you can like explain some technicality, then I can stop and look at a droopy flower. You know, like I'm not like wet, but I'm not dry. I'm more moist.
I can't with you doing this with straight faced and shit. I'm not wet, I'm not dry, I'm moist. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a trail. We're coming back to Conquer when it's not monsoon. And with the way those clouds look, I need to go get some pictures of feathers or flowers. With all that being said, if you liked the video, give her a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, you F off. If you love the video, hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Aloha.